Okay, in this video I'll be going over a error I see when people try to apply the quadratic equation. So, as we all know, because it's been drilled into our heads, we know the quadratic equation is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and this equals x. But this only equals x if the following is true. If we have a quadratic that follows this form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So notice how the problem at the start here, we have 2x squared minus 7x minus 10 plus or equals 5, sorry. And so it doesn't equal 0. So right now we can't straight apply the quadratic equation, and a lot of students I've seen have actually tried to do that, where they use 2 equals a and negative 7 equals b, which they still will be. But then they'll also use negative 10 as c. What you have to do first is you have to subtract both sides by 5, so you end up with 0 on both sides. So what we have to do first is we have to have 2x squared minus 7x minus 15 equals 0. So now we can apply the quadratic equation. So I guess we can just do that right now. If this is b, this is a, this is c, negative b is going to be positive 7. So 7 plus or minus the square root of negative 7 squared, so that's going to be positive 49 minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is negative 15, all over 2a, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. This equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 49. Oh, geez. What is that? 30, 100, 30 plus 120. If I did that right, all over 4, which equals 7 plus or minus the square root of 169. Yeah, that works out. 169, square root of 169 is just 13, all over 4. So we have x equals, what was that, 21 over 20 over 4, which is 5, and x equals negative 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. Okay, so that's the quadratic equation and how you apply it.